Okay, let's give you a tour. My highly security fence. Here at the moment, my old trees that I cut and a lot of grass. My highly cleaned car. I cleaned him last week. And then of course my on max running fan caravan. All the fans are up. This was all unreachable with the car on foot because it was full of grass and trees, new trees. It was not maintained for 4 or 5 years. So the caravan, my little dining table set up, my barbecue, my living areas, dishes, cooking, coffee, my sleeping area, and my dining area, and of course the fence. Here behind the door I can't reach is my shower. And my temporary garden setup. I just found this little travel cabinet. It's from parachute fabric, and yeah, I have my gear for the mowing, for the cutting, later for small tools, screwdrivers, all my shovels and my rakes and whatnot, my ladder, which is now to air out my clothes, because when I use this brush cutter, a 2-stroke, my clothes stink to burn up oil. And yeah, this tree, it needs a little bit more cutting, but it's dead. It's probably dead. I don't know how these marks come here, but it sounds hollow, and these things are probably the reason why it's dead. It sounds hollow. It still has green, but it's probably dead. My huge pile, that's a lot, because every time that you put something on, the air gets pressed out, so the bottom is really dense. This tree I like. Small, gives good shade. This tree is also not in a good shape because it's a cherry tree, and all the other cherry trees, like that one, looks a lot healthier. Like old caravan, which I'm never gonna use because it doesn't have a roof, glass window anymore. It's right here. So yeah, it was on the terrain, so yeah. Oh yeah, it's locked. I need to find the key. This is a huge tree, which I really like. This is my main shade. Another cherry tree. Look how fat he is. He's really old. And then the neighbors' flowers are coming out. Here are the cherries coming out. Flower tree. And then the little cabin with nice flowers. Yes, yes. And a lot of junk. Normally there is somewhere a water pit in there, so I'm gonna clean everything up here soon. It's probably one of the next jobs that I'm gonna do, and then maybe let somebody come to clean out the water well. It's not a well, it's just a reservoir, I think, because that's the only very new thing on the cabin, or the pipes. So I think this is going to the well. Actually, the pit. Yeah, it's going straight into the ground, so it's probably to catch up the water. The electricity is working. Yeah. I don't think this is asbestos. I'm not so sure, but I don't think so, because it's way too smooth. I don't see a lot of those fibers. Normally you have a lot more fibers in it, so I think it's just concrete. Yeah, something like that. I think I'm gonna take it out for sure. Yeah, that roof is maybe 2.5 meters. So yeah, electricity pole. And then the inside is still not very clean. The electricity is working. I'm charging my battery for the caravan at night. Extra because it's way too far for a cable, and I need to do a lot of work in the garden still. This is for grapes, to press grapes, and then it goes to the basement. So there is a basement. Under here is a basement. It's rotten, so I need to watch out. I'm not gonna go over it too much. There is a kitchen, and back there is a sleeping area. I'm not gonna show you that yet. That's for a future video, because I don't wanna step on this too much, and there are a lot of spider webs. So yeah, subscribe and check out how we're gonna make this livable somewhat, or at least hygienic, clean. Let's close the door. The gate. It's for now the gate to hell, but let's make it paradise. Yeah, of course, another thing.